What if every customer who paid instantly got their own private booking link? In this guide, we'll connect any payment gateway to FlowMattic bookings. A payment comes in, a single-use link goes out, straight to their inbox. Here's the flow. A payment confirmation hits a webhook. FlowMattic issues a fresh, single-use booking link and emails it to the person who just paid. Every link books exactly once, then locks, so the link you send belongs to that customer alone. First, the calendar. Under Bookings, create a new booking calendar. Give it a name, a duration, and a location. Then flip on Single-Use Link. Now every link this calendar hands out works for one booking and locks itself the moment it's used. Save the calendar. The booking side is done. Now the automation. Create a new workflow and start with a Webhooks trigger. This is where your payment gateway sends its confirmation. Stripe, PayPal, WooCommerce, Paddle, any gateway that can fire a webhook works. FlowMattic just captures the response. Add an action step. Choose FlowMattic Bookings, then Regenerate Single-Use Link. Point it at your single-use calendar. Each time it runs, it issues a brand new link, and the links you already sent keep working until each one is booked. The fresh link comes back as a dynamic tag, booking link, ready for the next step. Finally, add an email step. Send it to the customer's email from the payment and drop the booking link right into the message. Save the workflow. 2 steps and it runs itself. Now watch it work. 3 customers pay: Amelia, Priya, and Yuki. Each payment fires the webhook. Each gets its own unique single-use link, and all 3 land in their inbox at the same time. Amelia books her slot, and her link locks. But Priya's and Yuki's still work perfectly. No link ever voids another. That's premium pay-first booking with any payment gateway you already use. A webhook in, a private booking link out, one automation that scales to every customer who pays. That's single-use booking links in FlowMattic. Build yours today. If this guide helped, subscribe to get notified of every new FlowMattic tutorial, and we'll see you in the next one.